Hello everyone, welcome to this year's spooky Halloween. I am Morgana La Fay, and today I'm going to show you how to create this beautiful, magical costume with all the powers and the spell that I'm under. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and if this is your first time, my channel is all about empowering women. So even if it's Halloween, we gotta be empowered. Halloween is spooky, but I still want to do my dances, whatever music we play, right? I hope that you are going to enjoy Halloween as much as I do. What I love about Halloween is making the costumes. So the materials I used for this costume are actually stuff that I have lying around at home. So ladies, don't even throw anything, because you just might find what you need inside your closet. The good thing about Halloween is you can dress up in whatever way you like. If you like this episode, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit that like button, share and comment. You know, somebody might want to have some costume like this one. This is the moment where we want magic spells happening, because come to think of it, we are all dreamers, right? You know, Halloween is a time where we get out of our comfort zones and be different, be creative, be magical. Okay, so let's jump right into the costume tutorial. Okay, right from the start, I already had Morgana La Fay on my mind, and so I started drawing and imagining how I wanted her to look. Now I bought this black skirt from the thrift shop, and I gathered all of the materials, leftover scrap, whatever I had at home. So I have this black rubber-like material. I have these metallic square accessories, and of course lots of beads. I also have these bronze leaves that I used as a decoration at home, and I thought I should use them for this one. Now I measure the width of my shoulders and cut an imaginary band so that I could just put it above my head. I also did the same for this upholstery fabric that I have, and then that way I could just glue whatever accessories I wanted in between them. And then of course I sew them together. I have these rolls of yarn. I have black and brown. I wanted a menacing cape that was flowing, so I glued the yarn in between the flaps and just let them fall freely on the ground. I did so by tying a knot at the center, and that's the one that I attached in between. Now for the embellishments, all of these beads, whatever gems, whatever you have, just put them on there like feathers and branches of a decorative ornament that I didn't use anymore. Now for my wrist accessory, I glued these leaves, these feathers on this rubber material, and then I used this wired furry stuff as a band. So you'll see it's glued from under, and then I can just tie it around my arm. There you go, and we are all set. I hope you learned something from that tutorial. This is the costume that we have right now. I am just really loving the effect. Halloween is always an opportunity to be creative, to empower you. From the moment you step out, remember, the drama begins. I'm also on Instagram. Come follow me there. My handle is @TheRealD. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.